Alright, real quick today, guys, I just wanted to show you how to make a free stand for any phone so you can record hands-free. All you need is just a piece of cardboard like this, and you can use scissors or a knife. I'm going to show you how to turn this into a little stand for your phone. Now, the way you do this, and you're going to fold this, may vary slightly depending on your phone and the location of the camera. So it might vary slightly, and you might just have to make slight adjustments depending on what phone you have. But it's going to be pretty close for all of them. So basically we need to fold the side flaps in to where we leave a center section a few inches wide. Now you can mark it like that if you want, so you can get your folds nice and center, or you can just eyeball it. Okay, so that's what you're going to end up with right there. And basically you're just going to cut notches on the side for your phone to slip into. Okay, like that. Just fold your little flaps in, and then your phone will slide in those notches. Alright guys, and then there's the end result. You can use thicker cardboard, thinner cardboard. I think thicker seems to work a little better for me. You can make the legs of it a little longer for a little more stability. You can let them pop out the side like that for a little more sideways stability. But that's how you make a free stand with just a piece of cardboard for your phone for blogging or hands-free recording, whatever you want to use it for. So that's what I make whenever I'm recording a video with my phone and I need to be hands-free when I'm trying to be in front of the camera or what have you. So if you guys end up making one of these, make sure you hit the like button and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Thanks.